Now we go to the mind. Specifically, I want to talk about what nature does for the kind of mental states that most people are quietly carrying. The low-grade anxiety that has become so normalized that people mistake it for their personality. The rumination that replays the same scenes, the sense that something is wrong, even when nothing specific is happening. These are not character flaws. They are dysregulation patterns, and they are a neurological address. The prefrontal cortex, the brain's executive center responsible for rational thought and emotional regulation and perspective, is the first structure to go offline under chronic stress. And it is one of the structures, the first structures most directly restored by time in nature. A landmark Stanford study from 2015 found that participants who walked for 90 minutes in a natural environment showed significantly reduced activity in the subgenual prefrontal cortex, the region associated with repetitive negative thought, what psychologists call rumination. The same walk in an urban environment, same duration, same physical exertion, produced no such effect. This is not the exercise, it is the nature. There is a concept in psychology called soft fascination. Rachel and Stephen Kaplan introduced it to describe the quality of attention that nature invites. Unlike the hard fascination of screens and demands and deadlines, soft fascination engages the mind without depleting it. A moving leaf, a cloud, the sound of water, the pattern on the bark of the tree. These experiences occupy the mind just enough to let the deeper regulatory systems of the nervous system do their work. It is, in a very real sense, what the nervous system has been calibrated for over thousands of years of evolution. We are not built for screens and fluorescent lights and the sound of notifications. We are built for this. Next time you are outside in a park, a garden, forest, or valley, somewhere in nature, try this. Stop walking, stand still, and do these 3 things. 1, name 5 things you can see, not categorize them. Really see them, the specific green on that particular leaf, the way the light catches the edges of that branch. Just name it. 2, name 3 things you can hear. Don't label them abstractly. Listen until you can hear a specific quality of each sound. 3, take 3 slow breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And with each exhale, let your shoulders drop a little bit. That's it. This is not a wellness ritual. This is a direct engagement with the parasympathetic nervous system through sensory grounding in a natural environment. 30 seconds to 5 minutes of this practice consistently trains the nervous system to shift state from state more easily inside and outside nature. That is segment 2.